Hello everyone, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you today. It's super easy to make and affordable. Not only that, it will leave your skin feeling super nourished and hydrated. I just love the way it made my skin feel, so I'm so excited to share this recipe with you all. And the best part is all the ingredients are very beneficial for your skin. You're going to need vitamin E oil, calendula oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, and organic shea butter. You are also going to need for materials some jars to put your body balm butters in, and this like double boiler system so that you can melt down the organic shea butter. So you're just going to scoop that in. All a double boiler means is that you're using hot water to heat the substance rather than just kind of putting it directly over heat, and this just gives it a nice smooth meltdown. As I was doing this, the organic shea butter kind of reminded me of Bluebell ice cream. If you know, you know. But yeah, we're just going to continue to melt it down until it turns into this beautiful golden liquid that you see here. Now, here comes my hack on why you don't need any scales. You're going to be using the container itself to measure how much oil you should be using. So I'm going to use the tub and I'm going to fill it with about 25% with oil. So we're just eyeballing it, but we're using this container to kind of give us a more precise measurement. So you want to do your best to add each oil evenly, but again, it's not a big deal if you add more vitamin E oil over almond oil. You're still going to get a beautiful formula. I would say the most important measurement is just keeping it to about 75% shea butter to 25% oil. But yeah, how much you want to add is completely up to you. And if you happen to be making this and your shea butter didn't come in a nice tub, just do your best to, again, add about 25% more oil to your overall mixture. And then we're going to add it in. I prefer doing it this way also because I've seen some people add the oil while the organic shea butter is on the stove, but I find adding it after it's already cooled a little bit just helps retain a smoother finish to the overall formula. So I'm just mixing it in here to give it a really good stir in. And how you store these is up to you. I'm just using these cute little tulip weck jars, but you can use any old mason jars or amber glass jars. I've seen people use those, but honestly, as long as you keep the jars away from the sunlight, you shouldn't have any problems with preserving the body balm butter. And we're just going to slowly pour them in. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It just looks like liquid gold. I filmed this video a few weeks ago, and I've been using this body balm butter now every night, and I just, oh my goodness, the way it's made my skin feel is just so lovely. I don't think I'll ever be buying lotion again, so I really hope you give this recipe a try. This formula would be great for yourself or to make as little gifts, and it's, as you can see, it's so easy. So once you've poured all of your jars, you're then going to put them in the fridge without the lid on to let them cool and harden and solidify, and I just let them sit there overnight. And here's what they look like the next day. Look at how beautiful. It really looks like butter. I love the way it came out. It's so nice. And the way it works is once you kind of pick up the body balm with a finger, it warms up and kind of turns into that beautiful oil. So here I am just adding the lids on top. And what kind of inspired me to make this body balm is that I actually had a really bad skin allergic reaction a few weeks ago, and it covered my skin in hives, and I had to go onto steroids, and I have a suspicion it came from some lotion I was using with fragrance. So you'll notice that this recipe also doesn't have any essential oils or fragrance added. You can add it if you'd like, but honestly, I found that the way it smells without any added fragrance was really nice. So yeah, this is great for sensitive skin. But anywho, I just love the way this came out. I really hope you give this a try. Thanks so much for watching.